Enter the notes for the video you want to create in the source material field. Then, select a prompt based on your needs. For example, I have selected practical applications, but you can also write a custom prompt if needed. After that, choose the narration and content language, along with the voice and template you want to use. Finally, wait for the content to generate. Once the content is generated, you can review and even edit the content of the video before it is finalized. Click on Generate Video to complete the process.
Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of operating systems.
Now, you can download the video from here or preview the notes of this video.